How to fix S Pen is not connecting in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart mobile. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Now open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option. Now click on update. After click on update option, now your mobile software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset S Pen. Again open settings, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset accessibility settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, accessibility settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back, click on reset all settings, click on reset all settings. After click on reset setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back, click on advanced features, click on S Pen, click on when the S Pen is removed. Here you will see open air command, create node, do not nothing. Select option that you want. After selecting option, S Pen reset from your phone. This is how you can fix S Pen is not connecting in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.